Alright, the folks at Zippo were kind enough to send me another of their products for Christmas, and we'll take a fast look at this one. And it came in the regular dark side box, and the label on this one is Marlin 2. Nothing really collectible about the box. And there it is. It's on a satin body, and it was made in February of last year. And this is a big fish. Got a pretty good sound. Of course, it lights up really good. That is the Marlin Zippo. Be a good one in my collection. And does it deserve cowbell? Well, of course. Knuckle bomb.